Look around, what do we see? Toys and trash on the floor, oh gee. Bloomy floats and points with cheer. Let's clean together, friends are here. Paper here and blocks down there. Crayons rolling everywhere. We bend down low, we pick it right. Cleaning up feels really nice. Pick it up, clean it up, put things where they belong. Pick it up, clean it up, we can sing a cleaning song. Red toy box, blue shelf too. Every item has a clue. Match it, place it one by one. Cleaning time is so much fun. Pick it up, clean it up. Teamwork makes it fast. Pick it up, clean it up. Look how neat at last. Mom and Dad come smile and say, great job cleaning up today. High five hands and happy cheer. A clean space feels good in here. Bloomy glows a shiny green.